Hello, everyone. Welcome back, I guess, to Slime Rancher. Yeah, I am. I maybe cut going back in and out. Okay. I will. Yeah, sorry for the gap in timeline. I got corrupted video basically. So I've been in the meanwhile. I kind of passed out, I guess. No, well, more like I've been trying to get things organized. Ah, no. You need to go away. Ow. So, in the last video, I kinda got cut short, which I would say I'm sorry about this, but Jack keeps on saying I say sorry a lot, which I kind of agree with. It's mainly because, well, things like this mainly happen to me a lot. And sometimes it's very annoying. So, I guess I will try my best to catch you all up. Hold up, I'll be back. What? Yeah. For those of you that are confused to all heck, I am basically collabing with Jack. I would say. So all I'm doing is really I'm just catching you up on this video. Yeah, yeah. I hope everyone's doing a great time. I just threw that in the wrong thing. So now I got these guys all merged up, so now that and I got two heartbeat plots of gardens. So yeah. Now I'll have a tabby farm. Okay, what do you want? 4 heartbeats. I cannot do that. Okay. I guess I'll stay there for a while now. So I am sorry if this gets cut short. Yes, again, I said it. I'm honestly saying this mainly now to get Jack peeved. So, yeah. So now, this is basically going to be me trying to get a key. I hope that everything is alright, and I hope you guys watch Jack's videos of this. Honestly. Jack thinks I'm not that observative. I'm not trying to prove him wrong. I'm just honestly trying to peeve him off. So, yeah. I have no clue what I'm saying. Yeah, I'm basically going to be collecting more money and stuff. Those two can die. Come here. Oh my god, I'm just running into these. There we go. Yank. Of course. I'm listening to Jack that, yeah, I did. Ish. There we go. So I can peel Jack off. No, damn it. I needed that stony head. And key. So now, I am basically, this video is going to be cut short, which is mainly because I got corrupted. It was basically all corrupted. Me, thanks to, well, thanks to me. Ooh. Here, have a, here be stuck. Okay, let's see now. If I'm quiet in this video, it's mainly because it is 12 o'clock right now. And I am trying to recover my video. So, okay, slimes are going suicidal now. Okay. I hope everyone's having a great afternoon. And, well, yeah. I'm sorry if the audio is, well, gone for most of the videos and it's just me talking. I would bring the audio in, but, well, no, I don't really have a choice, actually. Sadly. So, let's see now. I hope everyone's having a great day. I am constantly saying this because I ran out of ideas to talk with yeah. Ooh, a map. I ran out of. I guess I'll parkour to it. Do, 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 do. Yes, I'm saying do a lot. Probably because I'm thinking of something to talk about. Okay. So, me watching Jack's videos. I don't know. I fell. So, thanks to Jack's videos, I I now know where these um if you watch Jack's video, crystal slimes are. Hmm. How am I gonna get back up? Ah. I'm just gonna have 4 for now. Make that 5. And here's the way up. Okay. Hello, I'm gonna steal you. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, basically. I'm just trying to recover video. And yeah, it was. Yeah, sorry if I'm off topic right now. I am basically talking with Jack. And I have to do. Basically, this is all you're going to see for now. The next episode will be up tomorrow, I guess. I'll know you're here. So, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you well, like and share the video, and I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye bye.